Oh, there he starts moving already. Duckbill spoiler, wrapping the car. Green, blue, red, white. Red one with almost lost my GoPro. Are you going or not? Red Ferrari.
Cool car, man. What is that? Ferrari? Ferrari.
Brought the Ferrari out.
Are we data logging? Why aren't we data logging? What's going on here? What is going on here? Oh, come on, this has to shut off. Alright, now we're data logging again. We're data logging today. How do we get out of here? There's a popo chilling over there. He's probably just waiting for me to drive out here so he can pull me over. He's gonna see freaking 2 GoPros, my laptop, a bunch of wires. He's gonna be like, what is going on here? Oh, there he starts moving already. Yeah, that'll be crazy. Okay, he's going somewhere else, hopefully. Oh, there's that cop over there again. Is he really gonna come? Ooh, got a little pothole over there. Hello? Hold on one second. Hello? Hello? Hold on one second. Let me put you on my car phone. I couldn't hear you. Okay, what's up?
Hey, I'm the guy that just told you the thing. I just wanted to tell you, like, if you have any questions about setting it up, like, you have my number, like, feel free to shoot me, text or call me or anything, alright?
Oh, no, I really appreciate that. Yeah, definitely. I'll try doing it myself. I'm always, I'll look on Google, YouTube if I run into any issues. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get it hooked up.
Oh, of course. No, but I just say, like, if you have any trouble, like, you have the number, like, feel free to shoot me, text or anything, alright?
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
No problem.
All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Good luck with everything. Bye.
So you don't run into people that nice anymore. I just met someone at the mall. I bought something from Facebook. I haven't touched my PlayStation in years. I finally turned it on. I was looking through some games, playing a couple, and I got Gran Turismo. And I was like, man, I want to try out a wheel and pedal and shifter combo. So I found this younger kid selling it on Facebook Marketplace, met him up over here at the Willowbrook Mall, and he just called me back just to say, if you have any issues, you have my number, call me to help me out. That's freaking awesome. You don't get that anymore. Half the time you get people on there who wants to freaking scam you, give you broken products. I haven't tried it yet. I can't say it's not broken. With someone like that, it's good stuff. You know what I'm saying? We need more people like that. So yeah, pretty soon, Phase 3, 1446 plus turbo, that's going to keep the power levels pretty good in the sense that, like, probably keep that for a while. Unless your air compressor starts coming up with some more stuff, then you know I'll be doing it. But after that, I'll probably be doing some visuals and stuff. I haven't done a lot of that yet. I've even said in past videos, I've always been like someone who went power first. On this one, it's dropped, it's got wheels, and some interior, which is more the driver-focused mods. But I would love to maybe put a duckbill spoiler, nothing too crazy. I've seen a few in person and they look really nice on this car. All personal preference, but I think they look good, as well as wrapping the car. I've always been interested in a certain color. I don't know if I've vocally spoken about it, but I'll say it. I want to do a dark satin gray. Now with the bronze wheels, you're kind of limited to how crazy you can go. I can't be like Andrew over there with the 124 who did like 4 or 5 wrap jobs and he went like green, blue, red, white, thinking about doing purple, all this crazy stuff. I gotta be a little more conservative with my color considering the bronze wheels won't match everything. And I ain't powder coating them or changing those for the time being. So a dark satin gray, I kind of photoshopped it and the bronze wheels looked really good on it. So basically, there's another guy who has like a satin gray, but it's a little bit of like a lighter gray. I forget where he is. He's in another country, I believe. But I kind of took his car, brought it in Photoshop, put my wheels on it, the bronze wheels, made the car darker, and I'm like, that's it. That's what I want to do. That's the color. So I have that in mind. Give me your guys' opinions. Let me know. If you know what other colors would look good with bronze wheels as well, by all means, drop a comment and let me know as well. But I'm thinking dark satin gray, like a matte gray, a dark satin gray, keeping the bronze wheels, and then doing the carbon fiber hood vents. They're very subtle. I know, who has it? I'm trying to think. So Spoolin has a Spoolin 32, I think it is. He races at the track and everything. He's got them, they look good, and then I can never remember how the pronunciation is or how the letters are configured. Ken is his name, Calholdren, I don't know, a 124 Spider form. He's got a red one with the other guy what is it? He's got like a white one, I think. Well, he had it on his white one now. I don't know. Whatever. Point is, they look pretty sweet, and they're functional is what I'm trying to say. They look good, yes, but it's more for the functionality, because it gets really hot under the hood. When I had the stock turbo, like right now, in the past, I melted my I melted the boost gauge hose, the boost gauge line. It was a hard plastic. Ever since going to the thicker walled rubber, silicone, whatever you want to call hose, hasn't happened. But it gets freaking hot under there, and you could tell because of that. Putting the bigger turbo on, I'm sure that's just going to make it heat up even more. I do have a turbo blanket that I'm going to put on with the 1446 Plus, but I do think that the hood vents are going to serve a functional purpose for keeping the engine bay a little bit cooler than if it didn't have it. And they look great too. It's the carbon fiber ones. They look really nice. They blend well. I think they'll look beautiful, regardless if it's on the black car or on the satin gray, dark satin gray wrap. So that's kind of what I'm thinking of doing, kind of the plans or future plans for it. So let me know what you think about some of these mods and everything. And yeah, you know what I mean? Drop a comment. I might do some more pulls. It really depends if the GoPros want to stay on. If the GoPros stay on, I'll do some top-down driving in a bit. Almost lost my GoPro there. Alright, with the GoPro in that position, I can't put the top down. It was messing up my camera. I don't feel like taking it off. Maybe I'll put the windows down. We'll hear a little bit of something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe we'll do another day for top-down driving. How about that? Are you going or not? Dude's on. Car pulls hard. 25.3 pounds of boost. We don't even have, it's not like an extremely hot day. It's in the 70s. It's not in like the 80s or 90s like it has been the past few days. The car just feels really good. That little bit of breakup sometimes happens under wide open throttle that I'm still trying to figure out what it's from. But besides that, it feels great. Red Ferrari.
Hey, cool car, man. Cool car, man. What is that, Ferrari? Oh, maybe this one, Ferrari? No. Maybe this one, BMW. I don't know. Okay, take it easy, man. Take it easy. Ferrari.
Brought the Ferrari out.
Ferrari.
I like watching people drive Ferraris. Ferrari, Lambo.
He did it! He really did it!
There goes the GoPro. GoPro number 1 out of here. Alright, so one of the GoPros just died already. So we're going to stop this video here. Like I was trying to say. So one of the GoPros died already. We're we're gonna stop this video here. If you enjoyed it, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about everything. Give it a like if you want to. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you to everyone who has already. And you know, if you want to pick up some merch or car parts, check out drivendistrict.com. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.